Okay guys, I'm about to try out this this drill. I got my insert in, and so I'm going to be putting this in the turret, and it looks like we're going to be putting it in number 5. So once I get this set up, I'm probably going to start off with some aluminum. That's 4140 in there now. Probably throw a chunk of aluminum in there instead, and see how this thing cuts. So I got to get the coolant line set up for it. So I've got some stuff here. I think I can make that happen. So anyhow, we'll come back with a video. Okay guys, we have our tooling in. We got it in. We ended up taking the piece off here, which had a hose, a line we have through the tool coolant. So we went ahead and took this out of there. We plugged that off. It's on the other side. I'm not going to flip it. And now coolant goes through. See if I can get this without splashing. Coolant goes through the tool now. Okay. So there we have that. That is completed. Now, what's the next step? Next step is getting this center lined, what our position of center is with the part, the stock. So what I've done a first cut, and I've done a diameter here. And so what we've done is we have this diameter, and I've already went ahead and parted it off. So this is the diameter. Okay, so I've measured this ID, and it comes out at 732. We know that our bit, our insert is 687, I think 1116, 687.5. So we're at 732, which means we are off center a bit. So what I'm going to do is adjust this one way, and then we're going to recut it and see if the size goes down or up. If it goes up, we'll have to adjust it back the same, plus what the difference is on the size of this, and you will find center that way. All right, we'll be back. Okay guys, so we went back, we parted that old one off, and come back and we recut. We moved a positive of 20 thousandths. We ended up with 752 instead of 732. That's 20 the wrong way. So now we've adjusted it back to 44.5 based on size minus the 687.5 of the diameter of the drill cut. So we went back, and now we are at, it's going to be, instead of 14,260, we are center lined at 14,215. That will be our new drill center line, and we're about to test that out, and I'm going to run it at that, and we're going to try it and see where we go. We'll be back. Okay guys, we have faced it back off. We've made a flat surface. We've got the tool back in position. Now we're going to bring it to our X value. And that new position is going to be 14,215. We're going to go down to 14,215. All right, so we are now at 14,215, and we are going to give it another go, and we will be right back. Okay guys, back to it. With working with this, the math did not actually work per the tool. I was getting a tang inside when we were doing the exact math. So for the sake of the tool and the sounding of it, we've come to the conclusion, rather than go to the 215, we're going to stick at 235. That's where the sweet spot came in. Don't ask me to explain it, I can't. But there's no tang here. The tool sounds much better going in. So that's what we're going to stay with. So yeah, again, numbers may not always work out for you. You have to, the practicality of what setup you got and some of the things that come into. But yeah, that's where we're going to stay. We're going to stay right here with no tang. A better sounding tool. The cut is around 720, which is fine with me, because what I'm going to be boring with this, I'm going to drill this and then I'm going to bore it out to the 750. That would be the big purpose of this, outside of just blowing a hole, getting material out very quickly. So that's the